Okay, video blog check everybody. Azrael here. We are here sa JG Superstore event at pag-usapan natin yung tungkol itong kanilang trade-in program nila. So I have here si Sir Leo. Tutulungan niya na tayo to explain ano pa yung mga kailangan. Alright, let's do this guys. Okay, hi Sir Leo. Balita ko meron kayong trade-in. Can you explain some information about it?
Yes, sir. We have a trade-in in JG Superstore, which is the camera trade-in program. You can find it in FB. You can scan it. Bali, sir, you just have to provide details of the camera that you want to trade. And if you want to trade it for a unit, we can also accommodate or just straight out cash. But our appraisal for cash is lower versus the trade-in store credit. So that's all, sir.
So the trade-in is parang yung aking lumang camera gear or camera with lens, for example, pwedeng kong i-trade ng cash or another item?
Yes, sir. You can trade it to another camera that you want para at least hindi na kayo mahassle sa pagbabuy and sell.
So, for example, ano yung magandang example na
Siguro sir yung cameras that are below 10 years old or DSLRs na functional pa basta wala lang sira, sir. Yeah, that's all. Sir.
So kailangan buo siya, walang sira yung screen, walang sira sa mga buttons. So it means kailangan in near mint condition?
Hindi naman kailangan near mint, basta functional lang talaga, and depende na talaga sa condition, sir, yung appraisal. Kasi we will also appraise it with management din. May approval talaga nila para at least hindi na kayo mahassle and also makakabili kayo agad ng gusto nyong camera na you dream about.
Any example camera pwedeng i-trade, for example?
Parang last time, sir, it's may nag-trade in si customer ng 2 cameras like XT. I think it was XT20 eh.
Dalawang XT20?
Yes, sir. Tapos, and he traded for a yung Sony ZF-E10.
Wow!
Yes, that actually happened last week, I think, yes. I think that's last Monday.
Last Monday lang?
Yes, sir.
So, dalawang XT20 for AZF, Nikon ZF na mirrorless to. ZF is full frame ba or
yung compact na
compact?
Yes, na
APS-C
camera.
siya, APS-C. Mirrorless.
Yes.
Kasi nakita malaki eh.
Yes.
So yun yung style niya. Camera brands. Anong dapat na camera?
Wala namang is welcome. Any camera brands are welcome to be trade, and your trade-in or the camera that you want, wala naman pong limit po. Yes.
So, ang rules na, for example, gusto ko ng XT4, for example, XT4, pwede ba yun?
Yes, sir, pwede po. As long as you can secure the payment, like 50% this down payment. And let's say sir, meron ka ng na-appraise na camera. Yung trade-in value ng camera mo plus na lang yung sir, para then yung babayaran mo na lang yung natirang
So parang i-appraise ko yung luma kong camera, kung ano yung magkanong value niya, i-add yun dun sa kung magkano yung camera.
Yes, sir. Parang ganun, sir. And if wala pa you have to order pa yung camera na gusto mo, then you have to secure a 50% discount.
So parang example mo kanina, may nag-trade in ng dalawang XT20 ba? So yung dalawang camera no is equivalent to the ZF?
Depende sa appraisal, sir, talaga.
Pero parang ganun yung nangyari na pumasok siya at na-accumulate niya yung total.
Kumbaga, sir, yung inaccept niya yung appraisal value. Yes, sir.
So hindi siya 100% na, so parang nagdagdag pa rin siya ng cash?
Yes, kasi we have to also sell the units din kasi hindi naman kami yung user nun. We have to din kasi.
So mangyayari pala is parang binenta mo lang yung camera mo in a kumbaga based on the condition.
Yes, condition, and it also a convenient way for you to convert to or upgrade to another camera that you like. Yes.
So is this apply to, for example, action cameras, point and shoot?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Accepted naman po yung kahit anong gusto mo, basta sa JG Superstore, any camera na gusto mo. Action cams, camera 360. Kung pwede.
Pero hindi naman necessarily na binili ko sa ibang store.
Wala naman po.
So kahit parang malimbawa, may auntie ako, maraming DSLR, pwede kong kunin yun, tapos ipaano ko sa inyo.
Pwede sir. As long as may ano tayo, ano tayo sa process, as long as, kasi sa appraisal naman talaga yung last decision.
So, this application is, parang kasi may QR code kayo, di ba? Parang, is this an online thing?
Online, pwede rin sa store namin sa Annapolis, yes sir. Pwede mag-drop by and we can assess it.
May mga tao naman doon na hindi na kailangan magpa-schedule.
Actually, then we have to double check it with management then para at least at para safe na rin.
So, pag maayos na yung deal, gaano kahaba yung turnaround time na makukuha ko na ba yung camera on the spot?
Kung available, depende talaga sa stock, sir.
Pero kung meron man,
makukuha mo naman agad. Mabilis naman, sir.
So, meron bang instance na possible way na I have a camera, siguro, pag-appraise nyo is, siguro 3 camera, no? And I want an X-T4, possible siya na matotal nun yung makover niya yung SRP ni X-T4?
Possible naman siguro, sir. As long as pasok sa mint condition yung ano. Depende talaga, sir, sa kung paano namin i-appraise yung camera. Pero as long as walang sira. Yes, sir.
Mukhang bago pa rin.
Mint condition, kung ano man basta.
So parang sabi mo, kailangan wag lagpas 10-year-old.
Yes, sir. As much as possible, kahit hindi na yung super old na camera. Basta, as long as...
Parang pag sinabi mo 10-year-old, anong year to? Kasi 2024 na eh.
Yes, sir. Parang, pwede rin basta, as long as service,
Basta okay siya.
Basta okay siya. Pwede namin i-appraise and if you accepted our appraisal, then we can proceed with the...
So, ang dating is parang sanglaan to ng camera.
Parang ganun siguro naman, sir. Pero i-accommodate lang namin talaga yung gustong mag-trade-in, gusto talaga i-dispose or pa-exit na sa photography or gusto lang
mag-quit na.
Either mag-quit na or siguro mag-change lang ng brand.
So, saan nyo din na binibenta yung mga lumang camera?
Depende pa siguro, sir. Kasi
third party.
Kayo
na rin din yung balak yung benta ng third party.
Siguro, kami na rin siguro, sir.
Kasi parang
more info sa kay Sir Jeff actually. Or kay Sir...
So, baka maybe next time mag-launch kayo ng pre-owned camera for sale.
Siguro, sir. Possible, sir. Yes, sir.
Thank you, Sir Leo. Kailangan ba ito ng mga ID ba na...
Kailangan lang may trail, kailangan lang may verification. Yeah, at least. Yes, sir.
So hindi naman kailangan ng resibo, wala na,
hindi na kailangan. Kailangan lang talaga yung owner, tapos yung photos niya. You can just visit the page and you can just message us para mas mabilis, mas streamlined.
Ito another sensitive question. So sorry, kung di mo masagot okay lang. Kasi uso yung nakawan ng camera eh. So, do you check the serial number and get the documents nung owner?
We have not yet encountered an instance like that, sir. Pero wala na.
Since meron naman kayong trail because of the documents, madali naman siya.
Yes,
kasi naka-record naman.
Yes, sir. I-record. Yes, sir. Naka-record naman talaga sa document.
Malalaman kung sino yung nawala na sana. Baka maybe dalhin sa inyo. Concern lang ako kasi baka maging trend eh, pero at least merong documents. So I guess ano yun, one way nila din to prevent those crimes, no? Kasi parang nakita ko sa mga FB group, marami nagbebenta ng camera, napupulot lang nila. Pwede ko bang ipa-praise yun?
Siguro, sir, pwede.
Kasi wala nang owner.
Wala nang owner. Iba na, bago na.
Ayun, thank you, Sir Leo, for the trade-in ng cameras. Trade in your old camera for a new camera here sa JG Superstore. I'll post a link na lang din dyan sa ating page natin para makita ninyo. Thank you so much and sige, papacheck ko yung camera ko. Thank you. Sir Leo, pag papa-appraise ko tong Nikon D5300 ko, pwede ba to? Marami nang sira yan eh.
Pwede pa ata yan.
Pwede pa ba yan? Parang ngayon, no? Wala na, sira na yung ano niya, yung monitor niya, nag-vignette na eh. And also the lenses may fungus na rin din. Pero still, it's a good camera. Dumaan na to sa ilog, dagat, bundok. Talagang heavy duty talaga. Nikon talaga. Tindi. So, Hindi na mapapa-appraise, tago na lang kita, gamitin na lang ulit. So, eto Leo, pag itong XT200 ko, papa-appraise ko, magkano kaya yan? Pwede pa, malinis yan. Oh. So, estimate mo, ikaw ba yung mag-grade?
Hindi pa sa akin yung
So may mag-grade pa na ano. So estimate mo for ikaw kaya based your knowledge na hindi mo sabi. Wala, hindi mo kasi hindi mo expertise pa magano. Kasi parang magkano to 35 ba? Yung camera na to. Oh, brand new 35. So I guess baka kaya pa kaya to ng 20. Oh, kaya pa ng 20 to, no? Wala naman siyang sira naman. Yung mga DNA ko lang yung nakalakabit dito. Ayan, sige. At least may idea tayo. Alright, mag-XT4 na tayo.